Good morning, students and teachers and parents. My name is Tim Ferguson. Welcome to the new school year. This should be a very interesting and amazing school year. I'm very excited to be with R-Review again this year. I've been in R-Review for 15 years now, since it opened, and I'm super excited to try something new. I hope that we can get through this together and that we can have an amazing school year. I want to iterate that the note guide that we are selling is very important for your students' education this year, and that you can purchase it online at the school store or geometry or college prep, whichever class you are in with me. I will be doing the majority of my lessons out of this notebook, and I will be checking this notebook regularly to see how you're doing, how you're progressing. I also want to iterate that it's important for you as parents and students to take it seriously and not to try and just cheat or copy somebody else's work. I know it's easy because it's online and you can just text people or you can just find the information online, but you're not going to learn much from it. And it's not going to help you when we actually come back to regular school and you have to prove that you know what you're doing. But I am very excited to see all of you. I am very excited to meet all of you. And I hope we have an excellent, amazing school.